So here's your scenario. You found the ideal location you want to set your camp up, but the ground's saturated, soaking wet. So while you set up, you don't want to put your bag and your jacket and your stuff on the soaking wet ground, but there's nowhere to put your stuff. This is a solution that I've been using for years. So simple. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So a branch like this would be ideal for what we need. You want this forked out piece forming this Y shape. So you want to cut here, here, and harvest the piece out. So we've selected our Y piece, and now we're going to batten a flat on the back of this, just using our Bushcraft knife and another freshly cut heavy branch. You just basically want to split this. And that's it. Just wanted to create this flat back. So now what I'm going to do is, just using the saw, I'm just going to create a small notch here at the top, probably about 1/4 of an inch wide, if that. Like that. Same again on the lower piece. This is for the cordage to bite into. Could use your knife. I just find doing the notches with the saw is a bit faster. There you go. So we've got our notches. So we've made our bracket, a nice sturdy tree, got some cordage. So now all we need to do is just tie this bracket top and bottom, lash it onto the tree. So let's do that now. So when tying it, you want to make sure it's really tight. So pull it as tight as you can. So that's our hook tied on, guys. When you give it a pull down, it will move, but the notches biting into the cordage will only allow it to move a certain amount. The texture of the bark on the tree will stop the cordage slipping down. It's really on there now. You can pretty much hang on that. So let's load it up. Little kit bag, like so, and there you go, guys. So you can use these hooks on shelters, attach them to trees. You could even, if you needed to, tie a hook onto a lamppost. So I hope this video's helped and you've enjoyed it. If you like it, can you please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for similar content. Thanks very much.